Welcome to an intriguing exploration of Revelation chapters 9 to 12, filled with imagery both mysterious and profound. If you've ever wondered what these ancient texts hold, you're in for a captivating journey. Let's delve into the mysteries. Chapter 9 introduces us to remarkable and terrifying visions. A star falls from heaven, symbolizing an angel, and unleashes a swarm of locusts with the power to torment those who do not bear God's seal. This scene, described in verse 4, illustrates divine protection juxtaposed with judgment. As the chapter unfolds, we encounter 4 angels bound at the Euphrates, released to initiate apocalyptic events, foreshadowing struggles yet to come. Moving to chapter 10, a mighty angel holding a little scroll appears, symbolizing the continuation of divine revelation. In verse 9, John eats the scroll, signifying the bittersweet nature of prophecy, sweet to receive but often difficult to deliver. This chapter reminds us of the ongoing journey of faith and the weight of spiritual understanding. Chapter 11 presents 2 witnesses prophesying for 1,260 days, later facing martyrdom, yet triumphing with divine vindication. Verse 11 illustrates their resurrection, signifying hope and the power of God's will. The 7th trumpet sounds, heralding God's eternal reign, a profound call for perseverance amid trials.
Finally, chapter 12 paints a vivid picture of a celestial battle. A woman clothed with the sun, representing God's people, and a great red dragon, symbolizing evil forces. In verse 9, we're introduced to the dragon, identified as the ancient serpent, Satan.
The ensuing cosmic struggle highlights the eternal theme of good versus evil, culminating in the assurance of protection and victory for believers. These chapters are a tapestry of rich symbolism, emphasizing themes of protection, prophecy, and divine triumph. They invite us into a narrative that transcends time, encouraging reflection and curiosity. As we close our glimpse into Revelation, remember, these ancient visions still echo with relevance and meaning today. Stay curious, and join us again for more captivating explorations.